Be an anchor of light. Be an anchor of light in these times that you tread. Be solid as stone in all things that you said. Have roots like a tree if some plummet in fear, though some may deny and choose not to hear. Be an anchor of light when the walls fall around. Be stillness of peace through the screaming of sound. Stay centered and sure in the inner domain. Though madness may show, be the tangible sane. If shadows come calling, know you can stand true. In thoughts, words, and actions your soul shines as you. Nothing can hinder its powerful force, though life may serve to push it off course. Others who quiver may seek a firm shore, and you will be harbour for yourself and more. The test of the spirit, a spiritual quest, where body can falter but spirit knows best. The earthly illusion appears ever real, and every emotion demanding to feel. But soul as an anchor can ground any storm, and spirit as matter can always change form. Ferocious and howling the wind rustles through, to push the boundaries of evolving you. And if a strong anchor in your grounded sea, for many you will hold sanctuary. Your spiritual team are always in sight, in the darkest of day and the darkest of night. Your soul wants to feel awake and alive, and God shines upon you the deeper the dive. So lose not your anchor, your dear treasured soul, and know that this journey is making you whole. Confounding appearances often seem right, like losing your path while stumbling at night. Drop then your anchor and be still in trust, for ego is useless and faith is a must. Abide in the house of the spiritual core, where a higher connection is shelter and more. Be an anchor of light in soul's every breath, in the birthing of life, the completion of death. The voyage, though sprinkled with wild terrain, is the reason you're here and the reason you came. Medina.